Hey, it's Tom from Farland Classic Restoration. We're just doing a quick update on the 1967 Shelby GT500E Eleanor. As you've seen in some of our previous videos, we're doing a heavy resto mod on this car. Most recently, we have been continuing to work on the engine bay. Anything you see here in bare metal is all completely custom metal fabrication. We have the best guys in the business and doing remarkable work here with the engine bay and a very peculiar car where the entire front clip was all bonded and painted together. So it was very tricky to do. We relocated the brake master cylinder, and we've also created a little more ventilation for the giant Ford Illuminator engine that's going to be going in. The engine has been fitted, and we're working with a DSE custom suspension for the front, which matches the performance of the rear. Also working with new Willwood brake system on the front, the best in the business, of course. In addition, the car needs to be cooled very effectively, so we have a brand new, completely custom radiator. And then, speaking of cooling, the occupants will be cooled with a brand new RestoMod air system. Now, you have to keep in mind that all of these parts and pieces are going to be tucked underneath the engine bay, underneath the car, so that the engine bay is sparkling and black metallic and is going to be an absolute showpiece once everything is in there. As always, thanks for stopping by. This is Tom from Farland Classic Restoration. You can find us at farlandcars.com and Farland Classic Restoration on social media. Thanks, and see you next time.